Today we are making a love bug punch because Valentine's Day is just around the corner. This punch is so easy to make and it is fruity and delicious. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is your punch bowl. And to our punch bowl, I'm going to add just 2 cups of pineapple juice. I use freshly squeezed pineapple juice, but you can also use just store-bought. But I will say if you're using freshly squeezed, it adds a lot more flavor to your drink. Next, I have just 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. This adds a nice acidic layer to our drink and just brings out more flavor. Here I have some cranberry juice. This is not freshly squeezed, this is from the bottle, but I love some Ocean Breeze cranberry juice. It does the trick. And I'm going to add 2 cups of my cranberry juice to the drink because it's a love bug punch. We want a nice rosy pink color to our punch. Now this is completely optional, but I love strawberry flavor. So I'm adding 1 cup of strawberry liqueur to our drink. I know this can be sometimes a little hard to find, so if you can't find it, you can just omit this. I found it at Total Wine. You can also get it on Amazon. But if you want to skip this step, you can. But this adds a really nice strawberry flavor to your drink, and it also brightens the color. So I have just 1 cup of my strawberry liqueur going in. And if you're making yourself a mocktail, you can stop right here, just have a nice fruity punch. But because this is a cocktail, I'm going to be adding in some vodka. And I gotta say, Costco vodka is probably the biggest bottle of vodka I've ever owned. It's larger than me, practically. And I'm going to add 2 cups of my vodka. As always, you can add or subtract the alcohol level to your liking. So here we have 2 cups of vodka going in. And last but certainly not least is I love a punch that's a little bit bubbly and refreshing. Sometimes with love bug punches or cocktails, you can add lemon lime soda, but I am a champagne type of girl, so I'm going to add a Brut Rosé to my punch. I know it's not technically real champagne because it's not coming from Champagne, France, but it's some California champagne and we're in California, so it does the job. And here we have 1 bottle of sparkling rosé being added in to our punch. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. It's so pink. I have to say, I love the color of this and the pink foam on top. You get the foam really from using freshly squeezed pineapple juice and mixing that with the champagne. But if you don't want the foam, you can just stir it together and it will stir in. But I personally like it. And now I just have my glasses, and as you can see, I have some very beautiful rose ice cubes. And this mold, I use it in so many videos. It's so convenient. I have the link to buy this in my shop. Oh my goodness. I got an ice piece down my top. There we go. That was cold. That's also where my mic goes. Can't get that wet. So next I just have some strawberries that I've cut into little hearts as a garnish. This is optional. It just adds a little pizzazz to your drink. So you can also add these onto the side of your glass. Now I think it's time to serve ourselves some love bug punch. That is so delicious. It's so fruity, but it's not too sweet. And you can really taste the strawberry in it, which I love. So if you'd like to see some more of my Valentine's Day cocktail and punch recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a lovely Valentine's Day. Cheers!